Hello, I'm Valery and I want to show to you how to make this effect, as you can see at my background. And the interesting thing is this is not an image or a video, and this is a mathematically generated pattern, and it can be changed on the fly, in real time, in wide range. And this is super interesting for you, maybe if you want to make something like a live stream, or if you want to call to someone and make something like this at my background. And I have no idea, maybe you just want to make something new. So, and this lesson is how to make it without any green screen. I will make a lesson with green screen too, but this lesson is for anyone, the most easiest way to make it without any green screen. So, let's start. To achieve this effect, you need several applications. First one is a Magic Kaleidoscope, and I will place a link in description. Next is OBS Studio, and you need a plugin to OBS Studio which will cut out your background from a video. For the first, you need to download and install OBS Studio. Next, you need to download OBS background removal tool. Please check a link in description. Next, you need to install Magic Kaleidoscope at your video capture device. As you can see, my background have no any green screen, just a wall. And next I need to add a filter which will remove background. You have installed already a needed plugin. So next you can add filter with a right button, filters, or select your device and filters, press button, and add a filter, background removal. As you can see, it works from a start, really nice. I just will show to you how it will be with Magic Kaleidoscope. Additionally, sometimes I use additional color correction, just to add some gamma maybe, or change something. I just need to start Magic Kaleidoscope. As you can see, this is just a game, so I can change, for example, some textures I want to, but we need full screen mode. So I just press here to any object, for example on the floor, and in this case I can use this library, select needed algorithm, make full screen. You can press F2 and change needed parameters. So right now I need to connect it to OBS Studio. I will press plus button and game capture. And I need to select my specific view and window Magic Kaleidoscope. Okay. As you can see, this window on top of my image, and I just need to move it down. That's all. What I need to do to change any parameters, just press Alt Tab and go to Magic Kaleidoscope. And that's it. I can change anything in a few clicks. Then I press full screen, it will be my background. So if I need to change anything, just go to Magic Kaleidoscope, F2, select color, or press in the center, select needed preset, go full screen, and go back in my application in OBS. Now I can start virtual camera and start Skype. Select settings and video, audio and video. And choose OBS virtual camera. voila, you can use it for Skype. And right now, if I want to change anything, press Alt-Tab, go to Magic Kaleidoscope, select needed pattern and make something, and it will be changed for Skype and for any streaming software. This is it. Thank you for watching, and you're welcome. Goodbye.